Yes, friends, today we're going to have HTML input types. In this video, you are going to know how to use this HTML input, you to know this input for just name, numbers, also this numbers, but for count quantities, and how to use this one as volume, and depending on what I want to use it, colors, load time, this one for drop down text and file name, everything here as it is. You're going to know how really it works. So guys, let's just jump in. Cool. But I just want to say that as you can see, they not all input HTML input. Actually, I will not come back on the HTML input that we have learned in two previous videos. These are the ones that no actually covered, though there are some, but we're going to this will be back here just to improve something small so that I can also share with you each and everything in this. Let's jump in. This is what I'm going to use here. You can see it here. This is its output here on browser. And I just want, before I start, just show you the reason it is look like this. You can see up here, this one, they all look the same. Because here I have this CSS, little CSS. I used the font size. You can see it is Arial. Background is like somehow gray. Then container is this one covered in this white part. Then you can see margin auto. I just want to tell some bit later so that you can say this very well. This input select and this selects. You can see here in this for button. Let's just do yes. We just go on. We're going to start from you, as you know, the input. We use them in form to correct user data. Then that's why here we have form and close here, and we are going to start. You can see here I have labels. What we're going to type or what we're going to add here. It is only input so that you understand what's this and how this input goes. Let's just start. We're going to start from this input I code just for name, as just you know. This one it is for just text. We can only then just add ID, just say yes ID, yes, say F name, and we also give it a name of also F name. You can see here. Yep. Then you just want to give it BR times 2. You can see that's it. And yes, we go to the second one. This is also just for number import. We want to use here number, and well, let's just also give it ID of using number, and another one just let's just give name, yeah, name 2, also number. It's okay, but I just want to minimize it. To minimize it, maybe the number I want. This we use this min. We just give it one number and maximize. Let's give it to like 10. This means you can write number here. Max, yes. I don't know. Why is it not number? A type number minimum, of course, is also number. Yep. Yeah. Then I BR so that you can put this. You can see it can't exceed 10. It's on number 10, just one. But you can also remove this, it's okay. If you remove them, it's going to work very well. You can write more than that. You can see this, but once I just undo this, then where you can, you see, it is also on 10. Wow. So this is BR. Yep. Let me just delete this B because no, then we move to this. Also will be input number, but you can see the reason why I use this. I just want to show something later, to share just with you something. This is let's just use this quantity as I just want to do quickly because I things this. And I want this video to be short. Then name, also quantity, it's okay. Then what I want to show you is also to minimize this between let's just say between 0, that is all, 0 and max. Max is also going to be let's use 100. Means if you come here and you for 100, yep, it keeps working. Yes, this one. Then I want to add something. Let me only first do this so that I can see well. Yes. Then I want to add this one, this function for step 1. It is going to be 10. Then we are going to give it a value of let's use 20. 20, and this is it. Yes, let's say. You see, this is one I want to show you. You can just see jump, counting 10 to 10, 0 to 10, 20, 30, 40. I just want to show you this input and some functions you can give them to it according to what you want to do or what you want to perform in your work. Then let's move to this one. This is the one you can use. It is here I named it volume, but it can be, maybe you can use it different way. Maybe you want to make for mixing colors, you use it at maybe volume if you want to your website according to how you want your website do or to perform. Let's just go on. It is input. Then here we are going to say range. You can see here it has come. It is here. You can see it. And before this one, this two. Then let me just also nothing much actually. Just say you can say maybe vol, and you can give it also a mini, as you can see. Say maybe let's assume it's a volume. I want to say you want to just say it for maybe music, for your prayer on your website. But also, of course, you have to give it ID because we use some JavaScript when you're doing such thing to also to make some functions quick and easy or even possible. Then let's just add min. We say it has to be between 0 and the max of 6, as you can see here. So when there's this, you add some JavaScript functions, you can also say, oh, I want my volume to be from 0. You can even see how it is moved, like the actual jump, 10, it's like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. You can see that's very wow, great. we move. Where are we moving now? We move to colors. Moving for colors, it is also import. Let's say import this one. Then here, instead of using any other thing, just color. You can see it also set because I don't like this. Oop. Yeah, good. That's it. And the color. Let's use this color also some ID, which is maybe my favorite color. Wow. Maybe you can also give name. Why do we do this? It is because you may want to save in your database. You see, it is very important to always give some input, name and ID. ID help you, helps you out to use some JavaScript to target this or what I want, or also save it, use database, or in also this name also can also help you to also to save it, but especially ID, you can target one this, I want to perform one these different functions. Good. Let's move to data. I hope guys you are seeing this. Yes, including the size a bit. I'm going to data. I'm going to give it import. You can do this and use this colon. Then you type data local. This one you can see it here, and you can also give it. Let me just give it name of that. ID also or that, but you can also change it according to your will. Then this, and let's use it this. Yep. That's it. If you do this, you can see it here, guys. You can set it maybe here, then set it will come here, this one, then you can see how it works very well. That's it. And let's move forward to this is yes. We move forward and on import. Select import. We are going to say select this one. So we can hit down here, and we are going to use this option. Is it one? Yep. Option. Then the option we are going to. It has a value, of course. Let's just type like we use curve. Yes, I'm going to copy this. Maybe let me just give 4. It's okay, and then this is a curve, of course. This value helps out also to save in database or to display or to fetch when we are displaying, we are fetching from database. And then what I'm gonna use, this is also, let's say maybe batch. You can just call it here like, you can also use a small, no problem. Use BMW. Also BMW, and this one can go like a chip. It's a chip like this, but this is supposed to be maybe small. Maybe just leave it as small, but it is better make it same. So it's like this. So-called Toyota. Yeah. Then in the name, remember, because when you save this, once you pick like this, you can see here. When you pick like this, it means this you wrote here in selection under this name is one save. Once you click submit or say save, what you picked here, this function of name, it is going to save it in database. That's why you can just go to curse. also ID curves. Yep, they like this. What else now? And you can also say, oh, you see that here is it a bit, I just want to add this. You see that here it is by default when you do this. By the way, I forgot something small, but here I'm gonna show you just 1 second. You see when you this, or once you refresh, it is clear. But you can also make something here. Say, I mean, come on, they say selected. Yep, select. You can see that where there is this selected, it is also like kind of its function. You can see that, and that's what I call it. Now you can see that it has selected BMW by default. Actually, you can call it yes by default. That by default, it is because so that when you refresh or once the page loads, by default it comes the selected one. What else? I just want to say here we can also use size. Yes, have some size like this. Say, oh, let me display 3. This is it. You can now display some 3 here. That doesn't show well, but let me see. Oh, not showing why, but it shows. I don't know why here is not coming well, but actually it said yes. It is same as you can also so let's use here. Let's just consider this say mount. You can also see that here it is using. It can show you many as possible, and it is only. Let me say. The reason could be here some CSS I used to select. Let me add them of this. You can see what is here. You can see where my yes here. You can see that here if you multiple one, you can select what you do. You can click on the shift this control, and this you can see you can select more than 2. More than 1. Then again, what I was saying here, when again use this size, you say I want only 3. You see, it is displays 3 here. Yes, that's it. You can use all those functions according to how you want them. Something I will say just a few seconds ago, it is that I forgot to show that within this color you can do any color, or you can use this is data color picker actually. Let me now move to message text area. Web text area. We use text area, and then you call it message. So you can use it message. Okay, hit it now, and let's just type some lol. Maybe we give it like 8. You can see, remember here, it's not good. That's it. You can pull it as you see. You can use this one. You can see that it has this function. Or we can just drag and work very well. What is, and you can now use a row. You see, it's more, but you can see you just want to use rows. Maybe I use, let me use 20 pixel and calls, maybe 100. Whoop, this is very big. Sorry, this is not big. Let me just use like 8. Oh, it was so big. And I want to use this 4. You can see, and here you can use 10. It also like that. Anyway, it's fine. Do this. Yeah, you can see this one. Here you can see you have seen that I also use this. You can also use some style like this one. Let's just test it a bit. I just want to remove this a bit. You can also do this. You can see that also CSS, you can make it big or at some sizes according to how you want it to make. Just undo, leave this one for only CSS. That's it. And we are now moving to data list. Data list. Let's just start this. Then we just go to pull it. Say import column. Let me just call it lists. It's not coming, but it's okay. Whoa. Let's say let me use import like this. And then here I want to remove this. That's why I thought that this is going to work here. Let's call it list. You give it this a function, but let me call it programming. Then in here, in this, what I'm gonna do just to hit this, then it a data list. You can see here, and this data list, we are going to hit down. Then we add ID. This ID is going to be this programming we have given in here. Then you can here. Then what I'm gonna do here, we're going to add some this option. Then option has to be valued. Let me call it yes HTML. Then I'm going to close it. This one, I just want to remove this. Let's not necessary. You can just remove it. So, sorry. This one. Why is this thing disturbing a lot? Let me just remove this. I can even leave it there only because I'm not done before. And then this is, may call it a PHP, may call it a Java script. This one I can call it Ruby. Then here we add this BR to like this. So when you come here, we are going to see once you move over cursor like this, can you be able to see this? You select. This is also another kind of import. It works too, just like it works somehow like select, but this one you don't move over calendar. You can't see anything unless you click inside and you pick one. You can do. You can also use multiple, but it's specific. I can just use for that one, nothing else. You see, a nice one. And we are going to let's see this select. With this is also another import when we use when we are selecting file. Now let me give it my file. Also ID my file. And you can see it here. We just as a BR. So you can see that in this one you can just select up. What is in this part? You can also you can select one. Let me do this bit, and what can I do? You can see I can select on. Do you know? You see that it can allow me to select one. But let me do this, and what else I'm gonna do? You can also select some multiple like this. Can be able to select as many as possible. You want main pictures, main files, what you want to do according to what you want to show. Here we have also another. Sometimes we use when we are making some inputs. To update, actually, adding some update function on your form. ID it is normally hidden. So when you click edit, it pop-ups and showing detail, then you can be able to see. So that's why we use this hidden. It is also, it can also be any kind of import. It can be text, but here we just use hidden. I mean, before I use hidden, let me first add maybe name. Name can be me user ID, and this can also use ID as user ID. You can even give it the value. Even just random do this br2. You can say now number here are seen, but once I put hidden, it disappears. That's it. It works like that. Now let's get to let me just call it like a calendar for only month. It's here, and maybe you want to use it for BD, maybe BDL month. Yes, like this. So let me also give it this, but this one can also apply no ID, no problem. And when it is here, when you click this, you can see that it is selected. It picks up month and year. That's it. You can see that's how it works. Another one is just say this search input search, and we can also call it Google search or web search. Normally we use it to search. That's actually its purpose. We use for search, the same as you see on Google when you're searching, the same. And this another one, it is this phone number. We can use, you can import. Let's use we use here tell. You can see it. Then let me use just give it phone. Oh, phone. Also use here as a phone. Then the special thing here it has, we use here. Let me just grab this. So here, yeah. Then this it is down here. Then you can use pattern. This one. So in the pattern, what we do, you use this, and your ID is 0. Then your 09 means number is being, it will be typed, that would be from 0 to 9. Then there will also be 3 like this, and you will put this. You can also add the 2 like this. Then no, this is also 09, and also like this 2. Then again we put the hyphen, and again this, again we say 0 to 9, also 3. How does this look? This one, it looks like this. You're going to see that's when we're going to you're going to fill some numbers. You will see the things like this: 1, 2, 3, maybe 2, maybe 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. I think, if I'm not wrong. Yes, like this. That's its format. That's how it looks here in our form. Let's move on, and another type. Let's see, remove this. This is import for time. Let me just use it my time. So my time, I've told you the reason to use this. It is very important to just copy this, paste them here, be able to see. This, as you can see them here, you see here when you click this, it picks time and AM or PM depending on the time. This is on input for time, which is also very important. You may need to use it. Actually, it picks out from by default log machine, but you can also set the time if you want. And the reason for this, I was saying that this name can be able to set it in database on a server, which is very nice too. Then the last one. The last one? No. Let's just use for week. Select week. Is input. Let's just go to week. By default, this thing is just helping a lot. Week. My week. Also my week. What I see here, you're gonna do in this is this it actually. What I wanna ask here is this one. And yep, you can see it here. You can also select a week. See, week 18 or 18 weeks. Then this for this maybe year, this month, you can see it's selecting on weeks. This, which is also very nice. Now in import, the last one you gotta use is import. Then for link, yes, if I'm not mistaken, no, actually it's this one, URL, this one, yep, you can see it here, it's down, I don't know if I can select a bit, you can see it down here, actually. Then let me just call it, give it the name of page link or link, I don't know, you can just give it the one, link page, oh, it's okay as long as it's you understand. Then here you can, that's where you can just add www. maybe google.com. You can use this link. Actually, this that import and oh, I forgot that we have a link here, which is from which is for button. This link for button, this it is, you know it. You can use the no button, but you can also use this. And let's see, you can okay, any kind of way of button you can use href, which is this one you're gonna use, which is no, we're going to use a normal button, but you can use this tool. This is a button. It's okay. So I want to show you something I just remembered, I've just recalled. And this button, we're also going to let's call it value. Let's give it click me. Let me see. Yep, it's here. You can see it is down. I don't know why it's going to. It's like hiding down. Well, yeah. Then this link, I want to show you that what the link does. Actually, it is clickable. Once you click, it takes you somewhere else, maybe to next page, to one. Can also take you to back, previous page, or next page, or also click it and it works according maybe to how you have set it in programming. So I want to give it this. Let's give it this function on click. For this one, what I'm gonna use here, I'm gonna say alert for the one we use in JavaScript. Then again to say, wait, do you know what? Say, oh, my button clicked. sorry, this is button clicked. Yes, and this has this. Let me check this, see if it will work. Wow, you see, button clicked. You see, you know, it is functioning. Well, it is working properly. That is it. Yep. So what I'm gonna now do, after this input, a little bit of what I add is another kind of a form I want to show you before I end this video. I want to give this, a legend, this one, and I give it title this, put it here. Then here it doesn't show anything, but when I add this field here, here you can see, and I close this document of ours here. Let me check where is it starting from. It is in the form. It has to be in the form. You can see how it looks. Actually, that's it, and you see that it is working very well. Now that is it actually what I heard it for you today, how you can use all this input. We have covered everything here. You can use according to how you want it to, in different ways, and they all work very well. Everything here works. So guys, thank you very much. Please consider subscription. So see you next.